Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I upgraded my 8x10 perfume wall mirror to this 20x12 mirror with LED lighting. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this beautiful wall mirror, then just keep watching. For this project, I used two of these 4x6 framed mirrors, one of these 8x10 framed mirrors, one 3-inch towel that I removed from a DollarTree mirrored frame, some adhesive diamond wrap, some duct tape, as well as some clear tape, one of these 20 by 12 inch rectangular mirrors that I picked up from Michael's for about $4, one LED light strip that I picked up from Walmart, a power bank that I picked up from Five Below, some foam board, my E6000, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was lay my mirrors down on a piece of insulation foam board. I used those mirrors as a template, traced around them, and then cut out the piece of insulation foam board that I needed for this project. For this version of my perfume bottle wall mirror, I wanted to add LED lights. So here I am determining where to cut my insulation foam board to insert my power bank and my cords. My original idea was to tuck in all of the cords and use duct tape to keep them in place. However, when I used this method, I noticed that my remote did not work properly to turn the LED lights on and off. So I ended up taking the sensor out of that hole in my foam board and taping it to the side of the foam board instead. I ended up running out of the silver duct tape, so I just switched over to the black DollarTree heavy duty tape instead. I covered up my cords, and I also used the black duct tape to cover up the edges of my insulation foam board as well. I ran my hot glue gun across the edges of the black duct tape to ensure that the duct tape does not lift over time. I made sure that the power bank could be easily removed to be recharged and that my light strip worked before attaching it along the outside of the foam board. Because the adhesive backing did not appear to adhere well to the duct tape, I also used clear tape to help hold the light strip in place. I was almost able to make it all the way around with the lights, but I did have a small gap. If I were to repeat this project, I would move over the cords slightly to the right so that that gap would be directly in the center bottom of my mirror. Once my lights were securely in place, it was then time to start adding my mirrors. First, I removed the black tabs from my 20 by 12 mirror, and then I used E6000 and hot glue to attach the mirror to the foam board. I made a bit of a mistake here. I should have avoided adding E6000 to the area where my power bank is. So I flipped this over and I removed that E6000. I don't want to glue the power bank to the mirror. I'll need to be able to remove that power bank and recharge it as needed. I then used that same method to add my towel and my 4x6 mirror to the top of my foam board as well. Unfortunately, the Dollar Tree no longer sells the mirrored frames where I removed this 3-inch mirror towel from. But if you don't have a 3-inch towel, you can always use 3 of the 1-inch craft mirrors from Michael's instead. Next, I used just E6000 to attach my 8x10 mirror to the center of my 20x12 mirror. I also covered up the wire lights with 3 rows of my adhesive diamond wrap. At the last minute, I decided to add one of those Michael's craft 1-inch mirrors and a large rhinestone to my design. I also added an additional 4x6 mirror to the center of the 8x10 mirror as well. The self-adhesive diamond wrap began to lift immediately, so I added small amounts of hot glue to hold that diamond wrap in place. I made sure to avoid adding any hot glue to the light strip. To complete the project, I removed my hot glue strings, let my design dry for a full 24 hours, and here was my finished look. I'm very happy with how this mirror turned out. It's a really fun piece and it goes great in my master bathroom. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Interested in seeing me pick up some of the supplies used for this project? Then check out my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, up close and personal. I'll leave a link to my second channel below. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.